Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about how to reset your SimpliSafe base station in 2025. Whether you're troubleshooting issues, moving a new home, or just want to fresh start with your system, knowing how to reset the base station is a key. So first, you'll need to unplug the base station from the power and remove any backup batteries. This ensures the device is fully powered down. Wait about 30 seconds to a minute before plugging in back in. Once it's powered on, locate the reset button on the base station. Depending on your model, this might be a small hole you need a paper clip for it, or a button on the back or the bottom. Hold down the reset button for about 20 seconds until the light on the base station starts flashing or changes the color. After releasing the button, the base station will reboot and return to factory settings. This means all the settings, connected device, and customization will be erased, so you will need to set it up again from the scratch. If you're planning to keep using the system, open the SimpliSafe app and follow the prompts to add the base station back to your account and reconnect your sensors. So, the reset process is straightforward, but make sure you have your account info handy to set everything up again afterward. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like, comment your questions, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Catch you in the next video.